If you're looking to spice up your health routine, stick around because today we're diving into one of the most cherished spices in the world, cinnamon. Not only does it taste amazing, but it also packs a powerhouse of health benefits. Let's find out how this ancient spice can be a modern-day miracle for your health. Imagine if there was an all-natural magic ingredient that could not only enhance the flavor of your meals, but also boost your overall health. Well, there's good news. Cinnamon is that magical spice. From regulating blood sugar to reducing cancer risks, cinnamon is your go-to super spice. Let's break down the top 15 health benefits of cinnamon that are backed by science. Blood sugar control. Cinnamon is great for anyone managing diabetes as it helps control blood sugar levels. Incorporating it into your diet can make a big difference. Heart health. Love your heart by sprinkling some cinnamon. It helps reduce heart disease risk by managing blood pressure and cholesterol. Anti-inflammatory effects. Dealing with pain or swelling. Cinnamon's anti-inflammatory properties can help calm those symptoms right down. Weight loss. Trying to lose weight? Cinnamon boosts your metabolism and could help you achieve your weight management goals. Menstrual relief. For those tough PMS and menstrual pains, cinnamon can be a comforting ally. Enhancing fertility. Struggling with fertility issues, particularly PCOS? Cinnamon might improve your chances. PCOS management. It also helps in reducing the symptoms of PCOS, making it a valuable spice for many women. Cancer prevention. Studies suggest cinnamon could help protect against certain types of cancer, like colon cancer. Skin health. Say goodbye to acne and hello to clear skin with cinnamon's skin-enhancing properties. Antibacterial and antifungal. Keep infections at bay with cinnamon's natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. Digestive health. Cinnamon supports digestive health and can relieve symptoms of indigestion. Immunity boost. Boost your immune system with a dash of cinnamon to help ward off illnesses. Antioxidant power. Protect your body from oxidative damage with the high antioxidant content found in cinnamon. Brain health. Keep your mind sharp and protect against neurological disorders with cinnamon. Dental health. Freshen your breath and prevent tooth decay naturally with cinnamon. Who knew that just a little bit of cinnamon could go such a long way in improving our health? Whether it's added to your morning coffee, sprinkled over oatmeal, or used in savory dishes, cinnamon not only makes food delicious, but also benefits your body in so many ways. So why not give it a try? Start adding this wonderful spice to your diet today and embrace a healthier lifestyle. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more healthy tips and tricks.